you beautiful people? I'm Deuce. You're watching Travel by Nature, and I am in Build-A-Bear. As Maddie just walked ahead of me because she's getting her Build-A-Bear. Isn't that right?
Yeah. That's also the one I was looking for.
But they got all their Halloween stuff out. Oh my gosh, look at this. This stuff is so cute. Look at all this cute Halloween stuff here at Build-A-Bear. Bluey and Bingo. Smiley Monkey. De los Muertos Cat. Mystical Werewolf. Enchanting Kitty. They even got a Owly Cauldron. These are all cool. You know, don't get me wrong, I thought that Build-A-Bear would probably have some Halloween stuff out. I didn't think they'd have this much. And it all looks so cute. Teddy, Owlette. I think a lot of them are just like stuff you have to dress up. So you get all the different outfits you can get for them. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Star Wishes Bear. Now, name your own wishing star. Star registry. So, not for, this is an interesting transition, but if you haven't seen already, like look down there and you see the QR code for, that's our Make-A-Wish QR code. If you hit that, take you right to our donation page for Make-A-Wish. We're working out with Wishmas this year to get one kid their wish for the Make-A-Wish. So wherever you can donate, greatly appreciate it. I'll bring this up a little later before we close out the video. But I think that's really, really cool. Star Wishes Bear.
I'm trying to decide between, so I was gonna get Usahana, but they don't have them.
As they don't?
Yeah. So I'm trying to decide which one to get. I'm deciding between like this one.
The Rainbow Party Bear.
Matches me.
It does.
Or getting a
Starry Berry Fairy Friend. If this isn't like the longest.
I like this one actually. That's really bad.
Maddie's looking for like a voice or a sound. Or...
It's embarrassingly loud.
Do the bat one again. I want to hear that one.
That one's.
I just imagine they like force some poor soul to make that sound into the recording. So they can, yeah.
I have the dinosaurs on one of my home.
Yeah.
I go on top of the back. So bad.
Oh no.
My favorite when I'm at Disneyland and I'm in the Tarzan treehouse and I did Tarzan, you know.
Oh,
and
yes,
people
yes.
Are, where did that come from? Came from me.
Should I get Should I get the alien cow sound or the spooky music box?
Which one do you prefer?
I'm stuck between the two.
Well, which one is the one you want to hear? Because you're gonna like listen to it all the time.
This one, I really want this one.
You want that one? All right, so she's getting the alien cow sound.
I can help you guys get started. It's $7.50, is that okay? Huh? It's $7.50, is that okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. Let's see if it'll wake up for me.
Computer Jello.
Oh, yes. I'll go ahead and scan it.
You got a birthday bear. You pay your age.
Do you have any other Build-A-Bears at home besides your dino? Oh, it's a frog.
Does she have any other Build-A-Bears at home?
You too. You should see my bedroom.
Yeah. These are going back. These are so cute. Promise, Pets, Tuxedo Cat, Giant Birdies, Mountain Dogs. That's so cute. Oh, they got some little football stuff, Rams, Vegas Raiders.
And then my friend Lila's gonna help you bring them to life today. Have fun, okay?
All the little outfits that go with them. These are so cute. One more Halloween stuff back here. Where you build a bear. This is all really, really cool. Sticker, dress up. Halloween book. Oh my god. We'll howl for candy. Yeah, I'll howl for candy too. Harry Potter over here. Slytherin. Oh,
Pumpkin spice.
Pokemon. Change magic. Oogie. Got an Oogie Boogie back there. I don't think he's for sale though. But that's still pretty cool. Huh? Yes, I can hold that. She's about to get her bear stuffed. Actually, I'm gonna come over here.
Start off soft and then you do it's all right. Step right there.
So,
I have the birthday bear and the frog.
Okay, just in case they don't let you know with those other ones, if you needed the stuffing, it's only yours for free. Just bring them out.
I was gonna bring them and I forgot.
That happens. We're always here. The only days I don't recommend are National Teddy Bear Day because we have lines wrapped around the mall.
oh, I bet.
Yep.
I usually get them on my birthday. I didn't get one last year, but then obviously I'm getting one of these because I was hoping to get
birthday
some
stickers since you missed it. They're for free either way.
Huh?
You want a birthday sticker? They're for free since you missed it.
Oh.
Got you. And then how does your cat feel? We can add more, take some out.
A little harder.
A little harder. Let's do it. Whenever you're ready.
Let her stuff
Let's break that heat box.
it. How long did it take you to learn how to do that?
I've been working here for 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, sir. If I'm being quite honest, though, the very first day I started working here,
Yeah.
they didn't know I didn't do the training videos yet because they weren't working. So the manager that I was working threw me on the stuffer, so it was like sink or swim situation. Okay.
Oh my god.
But I got it down. I got it down. She was quite proud.
Did they,
Perfect.
I got
they
you.
got you in the training videos afterwards, right?
Oh yeah.
I don't want to get you in any trouble.
Oh no. So the main manager ended up coming out and she goes, "Why are they on stuffer?" And she goes, "Because they're supposed to be working." And she goes, "They haven't done the videos yet." She goes, "Oh," and I'm over here like wide-eyed freaking out. And you said back of the head, right?
Yes.
I got you. Did you want it on the lower or the top?
Like near the neck.
I got you. Let's put it right here for you. Put some stuffing so it doesn't come down. And I'm gonna have you test that out right now.
That's
A purple cat. Yep, that's perfectly her. That's perfectly her.
my favorite holiday.
You know, I think they did a pink cat last year. I'm not too sure if it was last year or the year before.
Yeah.
After working here for so long, you start mixing up which bears came out
Yeah.
which years. But I like this one a lot more than that last one.
I almost got, like when you guys did the My Little Pony stuff, I almost got a pony. Almost
Yeah.
No, a lot of people come in asking for those ones still.
Yeah.
And I'm like, those ones were long gone.
Yeah.
But maybe they should bring them back because we get
Yeah.
a lot of questions for those. We get a lot of questions about Spider-Man too. I understand the licensing with it is difficult. They got to figure something out because
Well,
we have
that's-
Batman and all the other ones, but no
Do you guys have
Spider-Man.
like regular overalls?
We should. Down
They're probably over
this
here
way.
someplace.
Yes. And then which part were you wanting for?
The regular ones.
Why don't you figure it out? Go, you're gonna take that heart, you're gonna shake, wake it up. You're gonna rub it on her tummy so she's full of giggles. Her heart so she's full of love and adventure. Her cheeks so she's always smiling. Nose so they know you love them. On her toe she's totally cool as you guys. And on her back so she always has your back. And then you're just gonna make a wish. You don't have to say it out loud if you don't want to, and pop that right on in there.
Wish for money.
You can never have enough of that in 2026, okay? Go. I'm gonna go ahead and close this friend up. Did you decide a name for her yet, or are you still thinking?
I'm still thinking about that.
That's okay. And I don't know when the last time you guys were in, but they did change the birth certificate situation.
Yeah, I
You know,
heard.
Yeah, have to ride it out now. And our stations, they're cold. They're really old. We're a heritage store. So they give you guys a hard time swiping the tag. So if you can't swipe it, just type the long number above the bottom barcode. You guys will be perfectly okay.
All right. So we're now just working on finding an outfit for her. Hey, there's a nice little Dia de los Muertos dress over there. It looks really nice.
Yeah, I was thinking about either this thing for her. I think she'd look cute in this dress.
Oh yeah.
That's cute. What's with this?
Oh,
It's a little too orange for me.
well, I mean, you know, the purple goes with it. But a good contrast.
There's also this. What do you think? What is this for hair for a dog?
Yeah.
There's this. Which is not that bad actually. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I might get her this.
Oh, that look, let me see.
They're Halloween overalls.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
Sanrio overalls.
Well, that works.
That's so cute. How much are these? She'll have the opposite problem. Nope, she'll. Well, I'm looking to see if I can find it.
One that you guys can
I was like
buy,
hoping to
or-
find her like a little bucket.
So we got the little bucket, the little outfit,
You want to dress?
and the cat.
I'll do this one.
I got you. You want me to cut the tags off for you?
Yes, please.
I got you. So this one's going on this front? Perfect. I know they got a little bit more creative with their Halloween stuff.
I was like
Yeah,
hoping
I
to
was-
get something Sanrio.
I was a little surprised. I thought, well, I don't know what kind of Halloween stuff I out.
No, they did really good.
They did.
I know when I first started working here, all we had was like the Oogie Boogie, Jack, Sally, those ones. And then the next year after that, they came out with Lock, Shock, and Barrel.
Oh.
They never brought them back. They never brought them back. And I was like,
It's a shame.
and I was hoping they would make life-size versions, but they made the small ones. It was $50 for all three of them.
That's crazy.
Wait, $50 for all three? It's still not too bad.
It's not too bad, but they were like this small.
For
Okay,
yeah,
whatever
for
that is.
licensed
Yeah.
product, I mean,
Yeah.
So it was just like,
Yeah.
okay, it's not. We can work with. I mean, I bought it. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
yeah, I would buy it too.
Exactly, like you have to. But I was hoping when we heard we were gonna get them, I was hoping we would get life-size versions.
Okay.
Same way with the Scrump, the little
From
Lilo and
Little
Stitch,
Stitch, yeah.
I was hoping we would get a life-size one too, because the little girls that come in want a life-size one, so they can have their own Scrump.
Scrump, yeah.
let's see if she fits.
I know dressing our Sanrios is like the hardest one, because not only is their head big, they're a little bit chunkier around here, so you have to like fight it dressing it.
My frog at home, his is just like a regular bearer, and so it's like his like top is like tight to his pants, and he has like his like tuft of fur coming out the tail hole. It looks kind of funny.
Oh my gosh, yeah, they always have that little tail part right there, and then the frogs they always stick out, because that was my very first build bear, actually, was that frog. Do you remember what you named all your other builder bears?
So the first one, because I get their birthdays. So the first one's Sprinkle, and the second is Cupcake.
Oh, I like that one. I just named mine wrong.
I'm thinking like candy corn.
Sounds good. I like that one.
Very fitting, yeah, I like it.
Or I was thinking because it was purple, you'd name it like Ube.
I mean, I want it to be like Halloween.
Hey, Ube's good too. Okay, I love it.
Favorite Autumn. Autumn? Like the name Autumn?
Yeah,
But
Autumn
also
sounds
fall.
good too.
I'm stuck in
Yeah, you'll figure it out. It'll
Hey,
tell.
you can make multiple birth certificates
It,
if you want.
it
right?
will tell you. It will tell you when you know. What's my name? My name is.
They would have different.
So there she is. In her nice little overalls and her
Like ideas what to
Yeah.
candy
I'd get her a hat, but it would just end up falling off.
Yeah.
I moved it, and I was just like, oh. Okay.
And then I got overalls for
The other one.
Sprinkles back home.
The other one.
Make sure I don't leave my.
Yeah, make sure you don't leave anything here.
Yeah, I almost left my phone in Spencer's. So.
Oh no.
Yeah, I walked away and I was like, I'm missing something.
No, you're all good. Anytime you guys
What?
leave stuff here, we're quick to remind you guys.
Why?
That's the cards, because we can't see them sticking out from right there.
All right, that was pretty cool. this Build-A-Bear here is at Valley Plaza Mall. It's like right across from the Apple store, so it's not like this. It's really easy to find. Right, yeah, and it's right next to Victoria's Secret, so it's like not like you can't.
can go shopping with them.
But it's pretty cool. I did not think they would have as much Halloween stuff out as they do, but they really do. And I think it's really cool. Get someone that nice gift for Halloween if they have a Halloween birthday or anniversary of some sort. I think it's pretty cool.
Let me check the map real quick just so I know we're going the right way.
Okay. So if you haven't already, I'm sure you've seen the QR code in the corner over there. That is for our Make-A-Wish page, donation page. If you want to click on that, want to donate anything to Make-A-Wish, that is the charity that we are working for. It will be up all through the end of this year. Go to that page. Anything you want to donate, we're very, very appreciative. If you haven't already, go down. Subscribe to the channel. Ring that bell for notifications so you always know when new videos are uploaded.
Okay, other way.
Other way. We gotta go the other way. Give us a big like on the video, because it does help us with the algorithm. It does tell us these kind of videos you like. Share this video out to your friends, family, and neighbors. Let them know what we're doing over here for Travel by Nature, and leave us a comment because it does make us smile. But from here at the Build-A-Bear Workshop at the Valley Plaza Mall, I am Goose.
I'm Maddie.
We're Travel by Nature. Thank you so much for watching.